Hey there, friends, it is me, HLModTech, and I just wanted to shoot out a huge thank you to everybody everywhere. Love the notes on the board, love the notes that you put in my Google form. The stuff that you wrote in my yearbook was awesome as well, and I also appreciate all the cool cards and gifts that you guys gave me. It has been fantastic teaching you all this year. I hope you had fun. If you want to leave a comment below what your favorite part was, those are always appreciated as well. And I hope you guys all have a wonderful summer and keep on learning. There will be many more videos to come, including cool ways where you can use your cell phone to actually use Tinkercad. So my friends, if you enjoyed this, please hit a like. If you got a question, comment, or a suggestion, add it down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button. And last but not least, hit that notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Have a great summer. Thanks for watching.